Hi. Your website is your digital storefront, but what happens when the doors are locked, the lights are flickering, and security is asleep? In 2025, simply having a website isn't enough. You're not actively maintaining it. You're not just standing still. You're falling behind. So what is WordPress maintenance really? It's not just about clicking the update button and hoping for the best. It's a disciplined set of practices covering three critical areas. First, security. This means patching vulnerabilities, blocking intruders, and keeping regular backups, protecting you from the thousands of new cyber threats that emerge every year. Second, performance. This is all about speed, ensuring your pages load lightning fast to keep users engaged, and just importantly, keep Google happy. And third, experience. This means fixing broken links, making sure your contact forms actually work, and ensuring your site looks great on every single device. Think of it this way: update, protect, monitor, optimize, backup. Miss any one of these and your website's health is at risk. The stakes for 2025 are higher than ever before, and we're in a perfect storm. Automated bots are now standing for outdated websites within hours of a vulnerability being announced, and small businesses are prime targets. And at the same time, user patience has completely vanished. A delay of just 1 second in page load time can slash your conversions. And nearly half of all customers say it will never return to a slow website. And on top of that, Google now judges your site's performance as a core ranking factor. A slow, buggy site will be pushed down the search results, making you completely invisible to potential customers. The truth is, neglecting maintenance leads to real-world disasters. Getting hacked and blacklisted by Google, losing all your data with no backup, or having a critical plugin conflict take your entire site offline. Every one of these scenarios costs you leads, reputation, and revenue. But there's a flip side. Proactive maintenance isn't just about defense, it's about offense. It actively fuels your SEO and conversions. A faster website doesn't just keep visitors, it converts them. Secure site with a visible security certificate builds trust and encourages purchases. Zero downtime means you're not wasting a single dollar of your ad spend. Proper upkeep is the foundation that ensures all of your other marketing efforts, from Google Ads to SEO, can deliver the best possible return on investment. We've only scratched the surface in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and get our complete practical maintenance checklist, a full breakdown of the best tools, and the economic argument for prevention versus repair, we have everything you need. Click the link in the description to read the full in-depth article, What is WordPress Maintenance and Why It's Critical in 2025. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.